Would you like a mango smoothie bowl with blondies? Here is a super easy recipe. You just have to blend frozen mango chunks, mango pulp, canned coconut milk, and a few drops of vanilla. Then take the mango smoothie to the fridge to increase its consistency and make it more creamy. Now let's go with the blondies recipe. Start beating the sweetener with the vegan butter. Add an egg and continue beating. Add a few drops of vanilla, the rice flour, a pinch of salt as optional, and mix it with a spatula. Put some dark chocolate chips and bake it in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It is very important that when you take the blondies out of the oven, they are still soft, because when they cool down, they get harder. So if you take them on time, they will be soft inside and crunchy on the outside. This is the perfect match. Mango smoothie bowl with chocolate chip blondies. Uf, buenazo!